Hey there, tech aficionados! Today, we're diving into the future of memory technology with the CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM, boasting incredible speeds and capacities. If you're ready to push your system to the limits, stick around because we've got all the details. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews. Let's get started. The CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM is here to redefine your PC's performance. It's the cutting edge of memory technology, offering faster frequencies, greater capacities, and top-notch performance compared to its predecessors. Let's take a closer look at the specs. This RAM comes in a whopping 64 GB capacity with a memory speed of 5200 MHz. It's engineered to cater to the demands of modern CPUs with numerous cores, ensuring lightning-fast data transfer for tasks like processing, rendering, and buffering. Overclocking enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM features onboard voltage regulation, making overclocking easier, more finely tuned, and more stable than ever before. And guess what? You can manage it all through the CORSAIR iCUE software. Customization is key in the world of tech. With this RAM, you can create and save your very own XMP profiles via iCUE. Tailor your system's performance to specific applications or tasks for optimal efficiency. Speaking of iCUE, the CORSAIR iCUE software is a powerful tool that provides real-time frequency readings, onboard voltage regulation, and allows you to fine-tune those custom XMP profiles. But it's not just about performance. This memory module features a distinctive solid aluminum heat spreader that not only keeps your memory cool but also ensures compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and CPU coolers. Worried about reliability? CORSAIR backs this DDR5 RAM with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind for years to come. In conclusion, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM is a true powerhouse, designed to cater to the needs of high-end users, gamers, and creators alike. It combines speed, customization, and top-tier performance. If you found this review informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more in-depth tech reviews and the latest on cutting-edge products, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, unleash the full potential of your system with CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 RAM. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.